Hi, and welcome to Lesson 9 of our Virtual Code Club classes. Today, we're going to be looking at how to use HTML to start a website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a document that contains text just like Microsoft Word. It's the building block for all computer web pages. Web pages read and display documents that contain HTML. Let me show you how every web page has HTML that was used to write it. We will go to the Public Library of Anniston's website, and if you right-click on any website and click View Page Source, you'll see the HTML code that was used to write this part of the website. HTML is all about tags. Its angle brackets are used to identify the text. Each element is a tag with an opening tag and a closing tag. A closing tag has a backslash and the closing angle bracket. The web browser will interpret, print, or display everything in between an opening and closing tag. Each of these tags are instructions to your web browser. HTML can add text, images, or videos to your website, but if you want a variety of colors, animation, and interesting aspects, we'll have to learn CSS language at a later lesson. So now let's start with our website. We're going to open Notepad, and you can do a search for it by clicking on the search bar and typing in Notepad. Then you'll open the application on your computer, and we will begin by entering the declaration line, which will begin every HTML file. The declaration line is angle bracket, exclamation mark, doc type, space, HTML, angle bracket. This declaration line will begin every HTML file. Now let's go back to our Notepad where we have our declaration line. The next thing we want to do is tell our browser what kind of file this is going to be. Browsers can read a variety of files aside from HTML. So following our declaration line, we always want to write that this will be an HTML file. So here you're going to write angle bracket HTML, angle bracket, and then you're going to do a closing tag, including the backslash. This is just kind of like the wrapper that we will put around all the content that we want on our page. This is all that we're going to learn for today, so if you can practice opening Notepad and starting with your declaration and HTML tag, we will pick up from there next session to develop our first website. For more Virtual Code Club videos, visit publiclibrary.cc/code.